Hello, good day to everyone. Today I will show you how to use Valo Pay to receive payments. Valo Pay is a crypto PDA app that has a calculator to calculate fiat currencies equivalents and generate QR codes to receive payments on your crypto wallet. This app don't need to store your private information like your seed phrase. It only needs it only needs your publicly received wallet address that you already use to receive payments. First of all, when you first install the app, it comes without any registered address. Then you can register your receiving address here. Wallet address. Then we use this app now to receive Tether on Arbitrum 1 blockchain. I will use my address from OKX wallet. Tether Arbitrum 1 receive address. Put your address here. Wallet name test. Now we have a registered address to receive payments. Let's get started. Here you can choose a fiat equivalent currency to use as a reference for the value conversion, or you can use a crypto directly, use purely crypto. USDT, Anonymous 2. I want to receive 5 USDT on Arbitrum 1. Now the QR code is ready to receive and the app starts monitoring the blockchain. Let's pay. You can use the QR code with Valo, but if your wallet doesn't support a QR code with amount, you can use QR code without amount. Now 5 USDT. Let's confirm on my code wallet, hardware wallet. Payment completed. Transaction detected and confirmed. Now you have the receipt that you can share if you want. Thank you. Sorry for my bad English and goodbye.